Hello everyone, this is Dr. Alaa Al-atta, a specialist endodontist practicing currently in Dubai. Imagine having a retreatment case and you ask your assistant to give you the retreatment files to initiate the treatment procedure. And she tells you, Doctor, I'm so sorry, I forgot to order. In this case, the normal files would do the job. And these normal files has to have high flexibility and high strength in the same time. For this case, I have chosen the RC Gold from Ramo Medical.
Now, after accessing the cavity of both teeth, as you can see here, we started with a large size RC Gold. I started with a large size RC Gold because it has a large metal mass, and that makes it easier to penetrate through the gutta-percha and start getting it out from the teeth. Here I didn't use any solvent, and the RC Gold was enough, or was strong enough, to penetrate through the gutta-percha and get it out, as I said earlier. As you can see here, I started with tooth 1-1, then I'll be moving to tooth 2-1. See how amazingly the gutta-percha is getting out all the way from the cavity of the tooth. Now, after removing the gutta-percha, or removing whatever we could from the gutta-percha from inside the canal, we started placing the RCD files. The RCD files are strong files that can penetrate the remnants of the gutta-percha at the apex to make sure of the proper working length with the X-ray. After the proper determination of the working length, I started shaping my canals. Here I started shaping with size F1 file, and I didn't go through S1 and S2 because we are working on an upper central incisors that were already prepared. As you can see, this is a retreatment case. So I started with my F1 with proper irrigation using full concentration of sodium hypochlorite, shifting to F2 and finishing the canals with F3.
When I finished shaping my canals and removing all the gutta-percha, I have to take an X-ray to make sure that I have removed almost everything. Now, in tooth 1-1, there were some remnants inside the canals, and here was the trick. One more file from Ramo Medical is clean, which has the elliptical shape with high RPM, high speed, and the minimal torque possible to remove every remnant inside the canals.
The S-Clean file is a file that has a size of 25 and a taperness of 1% that allows it to be moving inside the canal in a 360 degrees, and this movement on a high RPM up to 800 and a torque of 1 will allow the file to move any remnant of sealer or any remnant of gutta-percha or even calcium hydroxide. As you can see in the video now, see how did the gutta-percha got out of the wall of the canal toward the coronal part of the tooth as a one piece, helping us to remove any remnants. And now at the end, after the full removal of the gutta-percha, we got to take an X-ray to make sure that everything is out and make sure of the size of our master cone.